Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm the 310 Stitcher.
And I am Kim, the 303 Stitcher.
I guess I should say my name, eh? My name is Jade. Although I'm assuming that if people are watching this, then they've seen our regular floss tubes. Anyway, so we are here for week 3 of the Monopoly game. So maybe I'll show the board. So the last time, Kim, you landed on Community Chest, right?
Yep,
So that meant that you had a new start, uh,
I did.
1,000 stitches.
I did.
And I landed on chance, which was let the wheel spin for me, and it chose Sunset in Venice. Want to show yours first?
Sure. So I started a Witchy Stitcher tarot card. She's doing a tarot card series. It's not a sale. She makes sure to tell everybody it's not a sale. So I've been collecting the patterns a lot. I'm part of her patron. So I decided to start Temperance, which looks like this. Sorry, I did not print it off, but it's a little Tamagotchi. So it reminded me of growing up. So I was like, I need to start that. And I actually did a total of 1,300 stitches on this.
Nice.
So sorry, it's a
Oh,
little
that
crooked,
was
but that's where I am. I love the colors of the border on this. I don't know if you can really see them if my light is washing them out, but they're really bright colors, and it kind of reminds me of a little bit of like Lisa Frank colors.
okay. Is it a bit
Yeah,
rainbowy
yeah,
outside? Okay.
yeah.
Cool. That is big. I didn't
It
realize.
is. I told you it was big.
Awesome. Okay. Well, I also met my goal. So this is Sunset in Venice.
So pretty.
Eventually, what it'll look like, hopefully. And so I had to do 200 stitches, but this is also the piece that I'm doing my temperature stitching on every week. And so what I actually got done was 2,823 stitches.
Oh, wow.
So you're not gonna, I don't know that you can really see a whole lot from the last time. Like basically I just filled in a lot of the ninja stitches in here and then brought in a lot of these darker reds. I
It's awesome.
I put in, yeah.
No, you can definitely tell because you were only kind of like down, you just had that block of the first gondola right there. So you've
Yeah.
done a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, it's exciting. Awesome.
Awesome.
Right.
Well,
Next
then,
roll.
next roll. Let's do this. My phone's dying, so I'm gonna go because so I'm just using a dice roller app, and I got doubles, and that is four. So one, two, three, four is see. Let me pull up our little thing here. So if we go one, two, three, four, that is Kentucky Avenue. And let me look at my little sheet here and see what I have. So for me, I don't have one project for, like per slot. I actually have one project per color block because I don't have that many whips. I have a lot, but and as I'm starting more, that might change. But so for red, oh, it's actually All Dogs Go to Heaven too, by Jim Warren, and it is a Haid.
Nice. I really like that pattern. So you're doing half of the purchase price, right? So that's 100 and
Oh yeah, half of the purchase price. So the full purchase price is 100 or 220, so it'll be 110 stitches.
perfect. And you want to roll again? Because you got doubles, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see what my other project is. I should probably write this down, but it's fine. I'll just rewatch this. So I got eight. So I'm pulling out my pattern. Huh?
I said, uh-oh.
So nope, eight actually lands me just before. So when we're looking at this, we go eight. We are going one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, which I believe is Marvin Gardens. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And so close, close. And so Marvin Gardens is it's the one of the Fabulous House series by Cottage Garden Samplings, and I am working on the castle right now. So that will get, oh my goodness. Okay. So purchase price is 860.
What? No.
Yeah, that's what I have. What do you have?
200,
Maybe mine's a typo.
280.
280. Okay, mine says 860 and I just had a panic attack. Um
No.
so you have 280. We're going to go with 280.
Yep.
Um and that is going to be, so then it would be 140.
Yeah. I forget. Did you roll doubles again just there?
No, I got 8. No, I
Oh,
got 5 and 3.
okay, perfect. So
No.
you have a total of 250.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Okay. That doesn't help.
Oh,
I don't know why one of them is
it kind of worked. There you go. You got it.
7. Oh, I think I'm on the same place as you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. We landed
All
on that.
right.
So that means I also have to do 140. Perfect. And for me, I'll tell you what that is. I have my notion here.
As I say, I think this is the first one that you have landed on that hasn't been a new start or a spin the wheel.
Yeah. Sorry, that was Marvin Gardens, right?
Yep.
Marvin Gardens for me, oh, is the lion. That's actually a printed kit.
Oh,
That's cool.
awesome. Do you want to pause and we can go grab our projects?
Yep. All right. So first of all, I apologize if you can hear my husband and son yakking out there. Hopefully they won't. All right,
Um,
you show first.
you want me to show first? Okay. So the first one that I got was All Dogs Go to Heaven 2 by Jim Moran, which is a hate. I'm doing the mini. Um, and so this is what it will look like when it's done. Let me find my camera. Yeah.
So pretty.
So I actually,
It's so
I
pretty.
love the colors on this one.
Yeah.
Um, this was my, I think this is my third Haid start. So I've had this for a couple of years now. It is on tent. I do have some parking stitches, some still like hanging threads on here that I haven't worked in yet. And then all the other ones are just threads that have to be snipped as I stitch over. But this is, let's see, that is where I will be starting from. So I'm doing this 2/1 tent on 25 count.
So pretty.
Um,
Love those
yeah,
colors.
I do too, which it makes it super fun to stitch on. Um, so yeah, that's All Dogs, and I have to do, I believe I landed on Kentucky Avenue, and that was 220, so that's 110.
That's doable.
And then yeah, totally doable. And especially since we're just doing a stitch equals a stitch, so 110, it does not matter. And then my second one that I landed on for Marvin Gardens that I have to do, what do we say, 240,
Yep.
is going to be, or no, sorry,
Two.
140,
Yeah,
140,
140. Yeah.
140. Is the Fabulous Houses series. It's number 2, which is the castle. I have all of these. And so this is what that will look like when it's done.
Nice.
And that is by Cottage Garden Samplings. I'm doing all of the fancy flosses. So there's like this one only has two. This one has Milady's Teal by Classic Colorworks and Flatfish by Weeks Dye Work, and then the rest of them are just standard DMCs. I am doing it on the called for fabric, which is I know it's called prehistoric. Yeah, 40 count prehistoric linen by Fox and Rabbit. So I am doing this 1/2. And it's still in its Q snap because it's pretty small. But that is my starting point on it.
Nice. So pretty.
Yeah, these are really fun. 40 count and I are just I can't do much of it at a time. So glad that there's not that many.
Yeah, it's so small. I haven't ventured into that yet, but I will soon. All right, so for me, it picked a pre-printed pattern, and it's a terrible picture, but there it is there. It's a lion face.
Nice. I
Yeah.
can kind of see it. Yeah.
So I've not done much on this. I'll show you the back just because you can't see from the front. I did that and across the bottom. That's it. And then well, there's a few odd stitches here and there, but yeah, so it's a big piece.
Is it black? Is it black and white like the picture shows?
Um, yeah, kind of.
Or are there
It-
colors?
It's kind of weird. The color palette's very odd, actually. So first of all, it's silk or
That
what?
like rayon floss or
Yeah.
whatever it is.
So there's blue,
Oh,
and then there's even some light purples in there.
huh.
Sorry, the lighting in
It'll be,
here is really bad today, so tonight.
it'll be interesting to see how that comes out.
Even green.
Yeah.
So I don't know. We'll see how it comes out. I remember when I got this, I actually emailed them and said, "Is this the right color palette?" It seems a little weird. But anyways, okay, so I will do a minimum of 140
Awesome.
on that. So what are you guys working on? Let us know if you're following along, you've picked one or both of our pieces. Let us know what you're working on. And we will see you again in a couple of weeks for our next show and tell.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everybody.